My name is Kevin Meehan, and I'm the president of Edge Technologies in St. Louis, Missouri. We are a machine tool company that's heavily involved in manufacturing, specifically automation solutions to CNC lathes and also coolant and mist filtration systems. October is National Manufacturing Month. I think it's an opportune time to talk about what is modern manufacturing and also how do we inspire the next generation to want to get involved in manufacturing and make it their career. Today we'd like to talk about collaboration and teamwork. We're all interdependent on the different groups in our company to do their job. One thing different about manufacturing than a lot of other fields, it employs a lot of different disciplines. There is the procurement aspect of manufacturing, there's the production planning aspect, there is the logistics aspect of it, and then when we get the product out into the field, it becomes very technical. That's a lot of groups having to work together and seamlessly hand off the project from area to area so you have success in the end. It really requires a lot of trust. And it also requires for people to feel secure to the point where there can be good, healthy give and take. In our business, as in many, we spend a lot of time solving problems. It's very, very helpful that we bring our best minds together. And working together, we're able to come up usually with a good theory on what's going wrong and to be able to solve the problem. And that's when it really requires people to kind of shut their egos at the door and be able to sit down with their peers and work through issues. And it's always a proud moment for